Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you an interior and exterior sports appearance. 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim. Sunroof. Rear spoiler. E300 4MATIC badging. Set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. This one does come with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push-start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera sensors. Dual climate control. Hard keys for a media display. NFC wireless charging. USB ports. Touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 21,255 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.